Hello everyone, if you're having a black screen on CapCut with no video or audio preview, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying black screen with no video preview on your CapCut. So first of all, you're going to open up CapCut, you're going to go into your project. So now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto menu here, you're going to go into your settings, and then you're going to go into performance, and here you're going to make sure that you have interface rendering ticked off. So just tick it off and then click save on here, and after you click save, close up CapCut fully. Make sure it's not running in the background by opening up your task manager and checking if there's any CapCut process. So there's none. Now you're going to open CapCut up again, and now as you can see we have the preview running. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to fix CapCut's black screen with no video preview. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.